Hello and welcome to a brief overview of Osirium PAM. Access to the platform is possible over a web browser, and I'm able to authenticate to Osirium PAM using my standard AD user. I enter the password, and the token code field box is supported for possible MFA integrations. For more information on this, please do get in touch. When the user presses login, we'll do a verification against Active Directory to verify the password and to verify the user's group membership. Because in the back end, how we build out our profiles control the access to the devices that the user can see here if they were to scroll through. With these particular devices, this Unix-based machine, I'm going to require the user to submit and consequently get approved a request for their access, as we can see. The user is able to search and find the device that they're looking for. And here, for example, my access to the domain controller, I've got RDP, so direct access, and I've got some application-based access using a number of different privileged accounts that are under the control of the PAM solution. So I could go in as a local administrator, or actually my own _ADM account, which is unique to myself, or the PAM solution can create a role-based account for me. We'll just select my ADM for today's example. As this is a recorded session, I see the terms of use which I accept before the session can be established. And the PAM solution is connecting me onto the system using the privileged account that I have selected without exposing that privileged account to me as the user. And this is all possible as these connections are being completed over my browser. And you can see that I have the ability to now be the _ADM account on this system without actually knowing what the password for this account actually is. And if we just demonstrate by running a very quick command, we are exactly who we say we are. Now this is a scenario that's typically possible for users who will have or need direct access to systems in order to do their job. With the integration of Osirium map server, you're able to provide users access to specific applications to connect to applications that may be running on servers without granting full-blown file system access. So in this case, we'll replicate the connection. This time we're going to use Active Directory users and computers. This is installed on our Windows-based proxy. Again, for more information about our architecture, please do get in touch. We're connected onto the Windows proxy. The admin tool is installed on there. In this case, I've installed the RSAT server role. And in here, I've then inherited ADUC. So I get exposed to just Active Directory users and computers, or it might just be a web browser or just a database connection. I can do what I need to do in the tool, in the application, and nothing more. Osirium can provide one further tier of access, and this could be restricting the user to running just a privileged task. So I might want to go ahead and disable a domain account. A task that often requires a level of privilege, the user to be able to connect to the system, and also knowledge about the target as well. So in here I would enter the user to disable, choose the device, execute the task. If I'm running this against multiple devices, I can select those in here, press confirm, and press execute. So the PAM server in 2 seconds flat has carried out this privileged task on my behalf. From a user perspective, that's all for now. If there are any other questions, please get in touch.